back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, it's my world famous brother Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
And I'd just like to kick off, say Happy New Year to all our YouTube subscribers.
They keep creeping up. I think I'm
Keep creeping up.
570 something now, I think.
And a special hello to Paul Vickers. He's now a proud owner of a Dog and Partridge t-shirt. His wife lovingly bought him for Christmas.
He's got people buying merch. Oh, Jesus. Nice one. Anyway,
Yes.
it's a Friday night here in
Friday
the
night beers and bro.
Have you got some beers for me to drink?
Of course I have, bro.
Excellent.
And we're going to kick off today with one of those kits from Mangrove Jack. Can I get my tongue around?
He'd gone back to not being able to say it.
Mangrove Jack's juice. It's Mangrove Jack's Berliner sour.
I'll tell you what it is.
Go on, you tell me this. I'll give up.
It's a Mangrove Jack's Berliner style sour ale. It's part of their craft series. It's one of these pouches.
Yeah.
We've got here, look, has all the info on that you could possibly want.
So you do get instructions and dry hops, or I don't think I can't remember did get dry hops or anything in this one.
It doesn't. Hang on. Ingredients: malt extract, acid, dried yeast, hop extract.
Natural hops extract.
Okie dokie. So this is just a malt kit, isn't it? No,
Just a malt extract kit. You do add another bag of a malt extract enhancer to that kit as well.
Okie dokie. Right. So, just before we do this, this isn't on the list or anything yet, is it? This is not a re-review. This is a brand new.
This is a brand new beer.
Brand new beer. Oh, right then. This is it here.
Yep.
It's not. I'm not being moany, but it's Friday night beers, bro. Hey, you seen how much I've got in my
You
glass?
might not like it with being a sour. I thought. You never know.
He's got a good point, actually. He's got a good point. Right.
I want to make you drink it.
Well, it's got quite a nice nose to it.
It's a good malty nose from my lining.
Oh, it's very malty, actually, if you give it a good swirl, isn't it?
Oh.
Right, I'm going in.
Going in.
Going in. Cheers. I think I might have preferred to my brother, but the face he's pulling.
That's all right, isn't it?
It's sour.
It definitely says what it says on the packet.
You know what? I'm sneaky behind the scenes here. I actually tried this last week and I thought it was foul. I actually think it's improved a little bit, you know, bro.
This is our first beer of the evening. I did say to my brother before we started, we best try this beer first because I think other beers might sway your taste palates a little bit.
It doesn't get any better.
It is what it says. It is a sour, and it's not overly sour, is it?
Having said that, it's not bad. You know what? You have made worse. I mean, it's not a bad bit. It's nice. It is crisp, like it says. It's clear.
There's no bitterness as such. It's sourness.
It's virtually no bitterness to it at all. It is like sour.
It's strange kind of.
Yeah,
I don't think I've had many sours before.
But not a suck your face inside out.
No, it's
sour.
kind of almost. There's a strong kind of dry, well, not dryness, but sourness that a lemon will probably give you.
A little bit, yeah. In fact, you could possibly market that as a lemon beer. It's all right.
It's all right. I'm not going to rush to drink that one tonight.
It's not my bag, if I'm honest.
Probably if it was a hotter summer's day, maybe.
If it was steamingly hot outside and you're making a barbecue for me, then
I've got it nice and cold, maybe.
Nice and chilled. What do you reckon?
I'm not my favourite beer at all. I'm down at mid-range, really.
I'll go as far as a 6, maybe 7 if you push me.
Yeah, I'm a 6-ish.
Yeah, yeah. So it's not bad, but you know, it's not that it's a bad beer. It's just not our sort of thing.
No,
it could be your sort of thing if you like.
Your sort of thing if you like a sour.
So, have you got another beer?
Of course we have. It's right on beers, bro.
I bloody hope so.
Yes. Just again, we're doing the New England IPA from Dark Rock Brewing. Now, I was gonna, if you do keep up with our videos, I was gonna do Guinness, but I made a mistake when I'm making it, and it was evident when I tasted it. I didn't mash the grains properly.
We did try it the other week, and no matter how long we left it's not great.
So we're going to be making that one again in the future, and we'll try it again.
I mean, these things happen, bro, don't they? Obviously, you know.
And my new piece of equipment, my Brew Devil, Brew Devil, whatever it is, I've got from to make it in with my full grain, and my grain bed didn't get quite right.
Basically, he's been spending more money. Anyway, so instead of the Guinness, we've got this.
We've got this. It's
No.
one returning one from the dog to the dog and
We've
partridge.
just been arguing about how you pronounce this. Because there's no space in it, I've changed my mind and I think it's the IPA Napier New England IPA. There's a lot of I's and P's in it, no matter what. Anyway, here's the box.
I think it's a bit of a misprint to myself.
You guys make your mind up what you think it's called, but there you go.
Now, as well as everybody knows, or don't know, of those who don't know, who drink beer, a Napier is meant to be nice and hazy.
And it is.
And it is.
Smashing.
We've had it before, and I don't think it was as hazy as this.
That's quite easy, isn't it? I don't know if there's anything you want to know. It's 5.2%. It's becoming increasingly popular, like you say, once craft brewer. Excuse me.
All your crafty brewers out
Crafty
there,
brewers.
your crafty beardies, they like a bit
It's
of Napier.
perfectly hazy, smooth and creamy. Yeah, tropical juice flavours. Okay.
This is a part grain kit, of course.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you do get a bag grain to steep. I do it in a pico. You've got 2 big bags of malt extract there to dissolve in there, and your hops go in towards the ends of the ball, and then you get a nice big bag of hops as well to add in
cool.
as a dry hop in as well.
And when you add this bag of hops in at the end, I presume it's in a bag, like in a muslin sort of. Like
No,
bag.
these ones are meant to dissolve within the beer.
Oh, okay, right. Okay, so they just disappear.
Well, they sink to the bottom.
Okay, so yeah,
They
so
dissolve and sink to the
they
bottom.
end up as a sediment.
What I tend to do is in the fermenter, I have a heat belt on my fermenter, and then a couple of days before I'm going to put it into a keg or a barrel, I take that heat belt off. Sometimes I stand it in a colder place,
Okay.
just to make sure it helps clear it. With the Napier, obviously it doesn't need clearing as much, but there's no findings to go in here in this kit either.
Okay.
So it's purposely.
So it's perfectly hazy because it doesn't drop all the stuff out of it. Right. Okay. Enough of the waffle.
Enough of the waffle. Get in there. Let's have some.
Let's
smell.
have some of this.
Oh.
Ho, ho, ho.
And you can
Now
instantly
then.
smell those hops. There's a good aroma of hoppiness coming through there.
We've said it on many occasions, but that's like walking into a beer festival, isn't it?
Isn't it?
That is.
Or a hop shop.
Or a hop shop. What's a hop shop? And because it's through your
This
the
time
Guinness
I
bomb,
put it through the into a
is
corner keg
lovely
and
and
fed it with a bit
creamy.
of gas,
Look at that baby in there.
and that'll make it even more smoother and more creamier.
I'm going in. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Oh, did we give this 10 out of 10?
It's dead.
I was going to say, 'cause if we didn't, I should be shocked. That's fantastic, bro.
Oh, there's a good hoppiness punch there, and then there's a good dryness in the back of the tongue that just leaves your mouth lingering for more.
And you know what? Going through the Guinness pump, it is super smooth and creamy. That is fantastic.
That is definitely a 10 out of 10, bro. Is it on the list?
Oh.
Or is it on the 12 beer
It's
kits of
Gotta
partners?
be, surely. That is sublime.
We have only 2 places left.
I'll get the list. Right.
It's
Okay,
getting,
okay.
it's getting a bit tight at the top.
It's getting a bit tight at the top. I think we've only got a couple of spaces left, actually. So you've not put it on here yet?
No, I'm not put it on there yet. Of course I haven't put it on there yet.
So
I
not.
haven't tasted it yet.
All right. Gee. Right. Anyway, there's the list.
If you can get it in there.
I can just get back. Look, I've got 1 to 10 in. Look, 1 to
What
12
was
in rather.
happened was since last time, and everybody enjoyed the New Zealand IPA so much, including the rest of the family, apart from my daughter, of course. It went in at number 3.
Yeah.
And then I moved Mocha Porter down to number 7.
Yeah, I think that's fair. Yeah, the New Zealand Pils, yeah, definitely. Everybody in the household loved that. Yeah, it's fair. That went down very well, didn't it?
The national toy just seemed to evaporate out of the keg. To be fair.
I didn't have any of it, obviously.
So, is it good enough to go on the list, do you think? Is it good enough to go at number 4? Or shall we try this other beer first?
You've got to try the other beer because you never know, do you? It's going to take some beating. Because, quite frankly, I can think this Friday night's going to be hard work. Ooh.
Could be seeing a few days later.
How strong is it?
Well, it says it's 5.2. You just read it on the box, bro.
I just read it off the box and I've only had a couple of little beers. Okie dokie.
See how he gets in such a state.
Right, third and final beer.
Yes, this is one from Brew UK and their sister company called Dark Revolution.
No box.
No box, because it is a full grain beer, but it does actually come in the box, but yeah, my box got a slightly
Right,
damaged.
this is on here then, bro. This is Deviant Dynamic Hopped Pale Ale.
It is indeed.
It tells you the hops on the front of it, which is quite handy. So there's Amarillo. What we think is Victorian Secret.
Victorian Secret, yeah.
Cascade, and this brews out to 5.6%.
Again, this is one of those kits that tend to wind me up a little bit because it comes with leaf hops. Even now I'm getting, how strong is that? with leaf hops.
Isn't it?
And you have to weigh them out.
Yeah, but you bought yourself some scales.
I've sort of bought myself some dodgy drug dealer scales, yeah. And
no, just accurate micro scales.
yes, accurate micro scales. Sorry. And you weigh them out. But have you ever tried to weigh leaves out? Really, you put some in, you put some in. Whoa, I've got loads. It's just ridiculous. It really is.
He's not a fan.
And not only
He's
that,
really not a fan.
not only that, when it comes to like dry hopping, you're supposed to steep your hops. Now, that means you put your hops into a tub and you put some hot water in it, and before you put it in. Well, you just end up with like a bowl of soggy porridge, hopped. And you just can't pour it in. You have to like.
You could read your beer hops instead of reading tea leaves. You could read your beer hops.
Yeah, but you try and get them in the neck if you're bloody fermented. Unless you've got a big bucket like some people have, you can't get them in your. Oh, they're terrible.
He's off. Anyway,
After all that effort, I hope it's worth it.
Is it supposed to be hazy?
That again, I don't know.
Okay. Because that
Is hazy definitely?
is even hazier than the one that's supposed to be hazy.
Yes, that's.
That is a glass of soup.
Does it smell any good though?
It's a bit nondescript, to be honest.
Well, I reckon there is. It's a bit. Well, it's a bit hoppy, but it's like weedy weed kind of smell you kind of get.
Are you sure you weighed out the right sort of stuff?
I won't ask you where I got them scales from.
Yes.
There's a strange kind of weedy smell in there.
It's certainly got a grassy nose to it.
Grassy nose is
Grassy
probably the word I
nose
was
to it.
looking for. Sorry, yes,
Yeah.
rather than weed.
Well, I'm not sure if I want to go into that. I have to say, bro, it doesn't look very appetising.
Hey, looks can be deceiving.
Well, yes, because the other one we just tried was a hazy beer, and it was, that's good. Anyway,
Cheers.
Ooh, I say cheeky.
Oh yeah, that's. Well, I don't know which one. That's slightly drier. There's almost you can taste the cascade in there, which will make it drier.
You can, and after you've, like you say, on the back end, it's super dry.
Yeah, it's a super dry on the back end, but there's some good tropical flavours to start off with. It's fairly juicy.
He's going to make me pick now, isn't he?
Hey?
That's a cracking beer. I'll go straight in and say, yeah, it's probably, we would have given that a 10 out of 10. It's a new beer, isn't it? I'm going to have to go back to my other one.
Now you see, this is full grainer and leaves hops, hop leaves. That's hop pellets, part grain.
For me, personally, I think it's a Napier. Just because it's just a little bit smoother. I know we put it through the Guinness pump. I think you're going to come down the side of that because it's drier, and I know you like your dry beers.
That's a 10 out of 10 out beer. That's a 10 out of 10 beer.
They're both 10 out of 10 beers, we know that.
If I had to split the two, I'd probably go down with you on the side of the Napier. But I wouldn't mind either one of them.
Oh, don't get me wrong, if you serve me that, it's great.
We could split number 4. We could put 2 beers in number 4. A new beer.
You may have to, because it's hard to split them. They're good beers, both. A little bit different. That's smoother. That's a little bit more punchy, to be honest. But yeah, fantastic beers.
On that bombshell.
Might be a draw at number 4. Yeah, well, there you go.
There you go, bro.
That's 3 more beers then. But we still haven't found out what's number 1.
No, I think we found out what's number 4 or joint 4.
He's just keeping us hanging, isn't he?
Could it be one that's coming up next time?
It could be.
What's coming up next time, bro?
Get respect again. Right, excuse me, because it's out of shot. It's over there. I can see it's all right. Dark Rock, the boss's boss. Now that we've had before, and it was a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Brewvolution Juicy Jane IPA. Don't believe
We've
that
not
one.
had that one before. This is a new one from Revolution.
Okie dokie. And then we've got Dark Rock Monster Mash.
That's a new one as well.
That's a new one. So the only one that is a 10 out of 10 is the Boss's Boss. But will it be number one?
Keep watching, folks.
We do know it was good beer. We do know it was good beer, don't we? So,
We do know it was good beer,
Yeah.
and stay tuned if you want to see if that is number one.
And like my brothers at the start of the video, thanks for those guys that subscribe to us.
Thank you very much.
If you watch us on Facebook, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And until next time, then, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from me.
Toodaloo.